What if I told you the biggest financial shift in decades is already happening, quietly, behind the scenes, while most people scroll trough their phones, completely unaware? By 2025, millions could either double their wealth or lose everything they've built. The economy you think you understand may no longer exist the way it used to. Every few decades, the global system hits a breaking point. 1971, when the dollar left gold, 2008, when markets crashed, and now, 2025. This isn't theory. It's not a prediction. It's already started, and it's called the global economy shift. For over 70 years, the US dollar has been the foundation of world trade, the currency everyone trusted. But quietly, new powers are rising. Nations like China, India, Russia, and Brazil are joining hands under a new banner, BRICS. They're trading oil without the dollar, creating new payment systems, and building financial independence from the West. These aren't small moves. They're tectonic shifts. The kind of changes that rewrite who controls global wealth. And for the first time in generations, the US is losing its monopoly on money. Why is everyone talking about 2025? Because all the pressure points are aligning. Debt, inflation, and currency instability, all reaching their limits together. Global debt has exploded past $300 trillion, with governments printing trillions more every year. Inflation isn't just rising, it's reshaping lifestyles, silently eating away at savings and purchasing power. History has a rule. When debt grows faster than production, collapse follows. It happened in the Great Depression. It happened in 2008. And in 2025, the same signs are flashing again, only bigger, louder, and global. While Western economies are slowing, capital is moving east. Global investors are turning to regions with younger populations, cheaper labor, and stronger growth, especially India. In 2024, India broke records with foreign investment inflows, while major Western markets saw declines. This isn't random, it's strategic. Investors go where momentum and demographics are on their side. India's digital economy, manufacturing rise, and consumer growth are attracting attention from the biggest funds on Earth. But even as wealth flows east, the world remains unstable. The system is shifting, and with every shift comes winners and losers. Don't mistake change for safety. The world is walking a fine line between innovation and collapse. The same symptoms we saw before the 2008 crash are repeating, only this time multiplied. Stock markets at record highs, while real wages stagnate. Corporate debt rising faster than profits. Housing prices soaring beyond reach. It's a bubble of optimism built on borrowed money. The economy looks strong on the surface, bright charts, smiling headlines, but beneath it, cracks are spreading. And when confidence breaks, the fall is always faster than anyone expects. While everyone watches the stock market, the real revolution is happening in money itself. Governments are testing CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. Money that's 100% digital, trackable, programmable. It sounds efficient. Instant transfers, no cash, no loss. But it also means every transaction can be monitored, limited, or even reversed. Imagine a world where your spending can be controlled with a single click. Convenient? Yes, free? Not anymore. Money is going digital, but privacy may vanish with it. The question is, Will you adapt or get trapped in the new system? The wealthy never wait for collapse. They prepare for it. While the public argues about politics and news headlines, the rich quietly reposition. They're reducing risky exposure, increasing cash reserves, and investing in real assets: gold, land, energy, and productive companies. They're not gambling on hype, they're betting on value. Because the rich know a secret. When the market crashes, it doesn't destroy wealth, it transfers it. From the unprepared to the prepared. Warren Buffett said it best: be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. And right now, the world is very greedy. You don't need millions to survive the shift. You need awareness and discipline. Start by cutting your high-interest debt. Build an emergency fund, your oxygen when markets fall. Invest in skills and systems that create real, repeatable income. Learn about business models, cash flow, and diversification. Because passive income isn't passive in the beginning, it's built through consistent, smart action. The best investors aren't lucky, they're educated. And knowledge is the one asset no crash can destroy. The global economy shift isn't coming. It's already here. The power of money is changing hand. From debt-driven systems to value-driven economies. From the unprepared to the aware. Those who act now will rise with the new wave. Those who ignore it will get swept away by it. Protect your money. Prepared your mind. And remember, in every financial storm, wealth doesn't disappear. It just moves. Make sure it moves toward you. This is your warning and your opportunity.